Net Credit Loan Review, 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how quickly online personal loans have evolved. NetCredit offers short-term personal loans, and in 2025 it remains a popular option. But is it the right choice? NetCredit provides loans for those with fair to good credit, with flexible repayment terms. Applications are online, and decisions are fast, often within minutes. The surprising truth is accessibility. You don't need perfect credit to qualify, which is ideal for urgent expenses. Another benefit is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming online loans have rigid terms. NetCredit lets borrowers choose loan amounts and repayment schedules, making it easier to manage cash flow. However, interest rates can be high, especially for longer terms or lower credit scores. Fees may also apply for late payments, which can increase the cost quickly. In conclusion, NetCredit is useful for borrowers who need fast, accessible funds and can manage repayment responsibly. For those who miss payments or have higher credit, traditional loans may be cheaper. Used wisely, NetCredit remains a viable option in 2025.